Let's talk about Workhorse, baby! What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I am not a financial advisor. Look, I got the clothing line to prove that fact. And boom, just look at this number go up. Look at that pre-market number go up. There is one thing, and one thing only we need to speak about, and it is this. Workhorse. Let me make myself smaller. Workhorse receives purchase order from Pride Group Enterprise for 6,320 C-Series all-electric delivery vehicles. An order, not a pre-order, not a letter of intent. An order for 6,300 vehicles. Ooh, let me catch my breath. You guys can probably tell I'm extraordinarily excited about this one. This is probably the biggest piece of Workhorse news we've ever gotten. The market's clearly happy with this, okay? Up 9% pre-market. This news came out about 20 minutes ago. I'm recording this as soon as I possibly can. Oh, just let me breathe, man. Just let me breathe, man. So right before we get into the details, can I please ask you to hit that juicy like button, drop me a comment down below. I mean, just say, let's go Workhorse, and hit that juicy red subscribe button and join the family of investors. This is huge. Also, if you are interested, hit that first link in the description, my friends. Join my private Discord group. That's where I found out about this news. A couple of guys posted in there before I even knew it was on Twitter. We nearly have 700 investors in there. We've over 50 private channels. We're making money every day, baby. And there's a $1,000 cash giveaway coming up by the end of the week. And if you want a few free stocks on Webull, that's the third link in the description. Blah, blah, blah. You already know about Webull on the Discord. Jeez, let's talk about this. Oh! Alright, calm down, Jack. You're a professional. Shut up, Jack. There's no time to be calm. Even Brian made an appearance. Right, let's get straight into the article. Workhorse receives a purchase order from Pride Group Enterprises. A purchase order, not a letter of intent, for 6,320 C-Series delivery vehicles. Pride is a premier Canadian and US-based privately held company with businesses in transportation equipment, retail, wholesale, rental, leasing, and logistics. How long on this channel have I been saying that Workhorse is more than the USPS contract? Fuzzy Panda, what's your answer to this? Where's all my bears at? This is why they're my biggest holding, my friends. Inventory financing is being provided by Hitachi Capital America as part of the company's previously announced strategic partnership. Initial delivery of these vehicles, wait for it, just wait for it, my friends, may begin by July 2021 and will run through 2026. We have cash flow. We are going to have steady delivery numbers. And I expect this to lead to many more contracts of similar sizes. What's really exciting about this as well is we already expect Q1 production numbers to be ramped up. We've seen them working with IKEA. We know Pritchard has been putting in some big orders. I've seen a few pictures of these vans being rolled all over the US. I feel like there's a lot of things that still haven't been announced by management just yet. Let me just say that Workhorse's long-term outlook is looking better than it ever has in the past. So these vehicles will be distributed through Pride dealerships for fleet use, very similarly to what Pritchard is doing as well. Our new agreement with Pride marks our largest individual order to date and expands our sales channel internationally into Canada for the first time. Our ongoing partnership with HCA continues to bear fruit as we gear up for scale of production in 2021. Again, guys, remember how much stress we put on Hitachi while everybody was focused on the USPS contract. We did the DD, we read between the lines, we looked into everything we could find, and you start to realize this company has so much going for it, and I genuinely believe us long-term investors will be very handsomely rewarded. This large order solidifies our first mover advantage and indicates the heightened interest in our last mile delivery products. Do you think if somebody puts in an order of this magnitude, they haven't looked into all of the competitors? Do you think their fleet manager hasn't spoken with absolutely everybody? I'll tell you the answer is he has. If he hasn't, he is fired on the spot. Now, Pride Group CEO went ahead and said they're excited to establish this new partnership, which will add last mile delivery vehicles to their existing product offering. It is one of the key steps we have taken over the past year towards achieving our future target of 100% electric vehicles. I just want to say, if anybody from Workhorse is watching, well done, guys. You already know I've believed in you from day one. Killing the game. And the guys over at Lordstown Motors are smashing it as well, my friends. They are rewarding us investors. What I'm going to say is I've been following Workhorse for a long time. I still think we're going to be very volatile. We're up nearly 10% pre-market. Who knows what's going to happen? These guys go up and down like there's no tomorrow. This just goes to show that us long-term holders with conviction will be rewarded one way or another at some stage. Workhorse's last mile delivery trucks continue to be in demand across North America, which has been highlighted from our dealer group surveys and is further illustrated by this large order from Pride. That said, Kirk Mann, SVP and GM Transportation Finance at Hitachi Capital. We know about these surveys. We know there's demand for these vehicles. We know more orders are coming. We are proud our mobility solutions effort is a North American answer to this important electric vehicle fleet program. From a technical point of view, I don't think this could have came at a much better time. We were getting very close to a very prominent area of support. The RSI was at oversold levels, the lowest levels they've been at for a long time, since the USPS contract was delayed. We have to go test 22.80 or so now, and ultimately, I want to see us move towards $24.50 to $26 a share very soon. If we keep this level of momentum, I think it's going to happen, my friends. But this is amazing. This is literally the biggest piece of news potentially we've ever received from Workhorse. Their strategic partnership with Hitachi is already paying off absolutely incredibly well. We now have Pritchard and Pride on our side, and I expect many others to follow. And as I said previously, I think there's a lot that Workhorse hasn't told us yet that they're sitting on. But guys, that's really the news that had to be covered. I am very excited. I apologize that I didn't have much composure in this video, but you guys know I'm a big Workhorse bull. I get judged a lot for these guys. I get a lot of hate for holding these guys. Here I am, baby. I'm still holding them. I'm going to do me, you do you, baby. I know that my Workhorse bulls appreciate these videos, and I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. But I am very excited. Again, Workhorse is a volatile stock, guys. Don't take this as a guarantee that we're going to the moon. We've seen good news come out before and it not do the best things for the stock. Remember, the company and the stock don't have to trade together. And I want you to remember that all of the prospects we have towards the USPS contract still stand. This does not affect them negatively or positively. This is just its own positive piece of news, and let's take it at that. But anyway, guys, if you watched this video all the way to the end, you are a true legend, and I appreciate you being here from the bottom of my heart. Your support genuinely means the world to me. But I please ask you to drop a like on this video, drop me a comment down below, and please subscribe if you're new around here. The last 3 days in a row, I've uploaded 3 videos. I had recorded 3 videos before this news came out, so this is my 4th video of the day. If you appreciate that grind, honestly, hitting that like button, drop me a comment, and subscribing is the easiest way to support me. If you want to take it a step further and make some money with me, hit that first link in the description and join the private Discord group, baby. I promise you won't regret it. And if you want those free stocks, that's the second link in the description. But anyway, guys, I hope you all have a beautiful, blessed day. I will see you in another video very soon. Peace.